Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Apple Intelligence not showing on iPhone. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Apple Intelligence is an exciting new feature that lets you use Chappy directly through Siri, and even summarizes emails and notifications for a streamlined view of important content. If you are eager to experience it, but aren't seeing it appear, let's go over some steps and reasons why it may not be available on your device. To begin, let's look at a few common reasons why Apple Intelligence might not be showing up. First, Apple Intelligence requires specific device models. Currently, this feature is only supported on the iPhone 16 series, iPhone 14 Pro, and iPhone 14 Pro Max. If you're using a model outside this range, unfortunately, you won't be able to access Apple Intelligence unless you upgrade to supported device. Next, Apple Intelligence is region restricted at this time. It isn't available in the European Union or China. However, if you're in Europe, there's a workaround, which is by changing your region and language settings. So head to your iPhone and open Settings. Then navigate to General. Scroll down and select Language and Region. Here sets the region to the United States and the language to English. Your device will briefly read out these settings. Once it's done, go back to the main settings menu and scroll down to where options for Siri and search are located. At this point, you should see an option related to Apple Intelligence if it's available for your device. Please note that users in China do not have a method to enable Apple Intelligence due to additional restrictions. If Apple Intelligence is still not showing up on your supported iPhone, you can try restarting your iPhone, which can often help activate new settings and eliminate any temporary bugs that may be the cause of why Apple Intelligence is not appearing after upgrading to iOS latest version. To restart, swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center and tap on the power button at the top right. A drag to slide off screen will appear. Drag the slider to the right to power the device. Now to power on. Press and hold the power button until the Apple logo flashes back on. After successfully restart, return to the Siri and search section in your settings where Apple Intelligence would be visible. So that's basically how you can fix Apple Intelligence not showing on iPhone. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.